Good morning to all my dear students. This is a revision class on divisibility tests. So let's start. First, test of divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its ones digits is either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Now let's see one question from exercise 2b, question number 1, third part. The number is written here. Now this number at its ones position or ones place or this ones digit is what? It is 8. So as you can see it is 8. So this number is divisible by 2. Fourth part. The number is written here. The number at its ones digit or at its ones place is what? Is 3. So this number is not divisible by 2. Second, test of divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Let's see one question. Question number 2, third part. The number is written here. The sum of its digits, it's written here. The sum is 10. So, is 10 divisible by 3? No. So, this means this particular number is not divisible by 3. Fourth part. The number is written, the sum of its digits, it is 27. 27 is divisible by 3. Yes. Therefore, this particular number is also divisible by 3. Third, test of divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its digits in the tens and ones places is divisible by 4. Question number 3, fourth part. So, the digits at its ones and tens places are 5 and 6. So 56 is divisible by 4. Yes, 56 is divisible by 4. Therefore, this particular number is divisible by 4. Yes. Fifth part. The digits at its ones and tens places, it is 2 and 6. Therefore, 26 is divisible by 4. No. Therefore, this particular number is not divisible by 4. Fourth part. Test of divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its ones digits is either 0 or 5. Question number 4, third part. So, the digits at its ones place, it is what? It is 8. So, this particular number is not divisible by 5. Whereas this number here, the number given at its ones place is what? 5. Therefore, this particular number is divisible by 5. Fifth part. Test of divisibility by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by each one of 2 and 3. And you please note that 2 and 3 are the prime factors of 6. Okay. So, therefore, if it is divisible by 2 and 3, therefore, the particular number is divisible by 6 also. So, let's see question number 5, third part. The number is given here. So, let's check first whether it is divisible by 2 or not. So, as we have studied the divisibility rule for 2, that ones digit, it should be either any of these number. So, here the number given at its ones digit is what? 2. So, therefore, it is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 2. Now, divisibility rule for 3, that the sum of its digits, it should be divisible by 3. So, let's check the sum of this particular number. So, 7 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2, which is what? 15. So, 15 is divisible by 3. Yes, 15 is divisible by 3. Therefore, this particular number is divisible by 6 also, because it is divisible by 2 as well as it is divisible by 3. Now, the sixth one. Test of divisibility by 7. A number is divisible by 7 if the difference between twice the ones digit and the number formed by the other digits is either 0 or multiple of 7. Let's see one example. So, this number is given to us and we can see clearly that what we are supposed to do, we have to find out the difference between twice the ones digit, okay, and a number formed by the other digits. So this number is given to us at its ones digit, that is what, 1. This number we are going to multiply by 2, and from where we have to take the difference, we have to take the rest of the digits and we have to write down here, and the difference will be in between these digits as well as in between the number which is at ones digit, which we have to multiply by 2. So 602 minus 2 into 1. So here 602 minus 2, which is what, 600, which is not a multiple of 7. Therefore, this particular number is not divisible by 7. Now let's see the test of divisibility by 8. So a number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its digits in hundreds, tens and ones places is divisible by 8. Let's see one example. This is, one question number 7, second part. So number is given to you 2138, and here the number which is formed by its digits at ones, tens and hundred places, it is what? It is 138, and 138 is not divisible by 8. Therefore, this particular number is not divisible by 8. Next, test of divisibility by 9. Now, a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. So, question number 8, third part, the number is given to us. The sum is 27, and 27 is divisible by 9. Yes, 9 threes are 27. So, therefore, this particular number is divisible by 9. Now, the 10th one, test of divisibility by 10. So, a number is divisible by 10 if its ones digit is 0. Ones digit is 0. So, question number 9, third part, here this number at ones digit is what? It is 5. So, 5 is there. Therefore, this number is not divisible by 10. Then test of divisibility by 11. This is very, very important. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of its digits in odd places and the sum of its digits in even places is either 0 or multiple of 11. Now let's learn it through question number 10, second part. A number is given to us. Now what is the first step? With your pencil, below the number, you just write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This way. These numbers please write down with pencil, or write down this. If you want to write down with pen, then draw a rough line and write on there. Then why to write down these numbers? Just to provide you an idea that which numbers are at odd places and which numbers are at even places. Okay, so let's check. So which digits are at odd places? Okay, so which are the odd numbers? 1, 3 and 5. So digits at odd places. So what are the digits which are at odd places are number 1, 8. I have written here 8. Then 7 and 1. 8, 7 and 1. These are the digits which are present at odd places. Now the digits at even places. So the digits which are at even places, you can see this is 2 and this is 4. So the digits which are at even places, these are number 1, 3, and number 2 is what? 2. Okay, then what we are supposed to do? Now we are supposed to find out the sum. So sum of digits at odd places. So the digits at odd places are 8, 7 and 1. So 8 plus 7 plus 1, that is 16, right? Now sum of digits at even places. So the digits at even places are 3 and 2. So the sum is 5. Now let's check the difference of the two sums. So 16 minus 5 is what? 11. So you can see here it is written the difference. It should be either 0 or multiple of 11. So this is multiple of 11. So therefore this particular number is divisible by 11. Thank you.